Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are thinking about buying the Hisense 75 class QD7 Series 2026 model, you will need to watch this video before spending your money. So today we will be breaking down the real performance, the gaming features, smart capabilities, value and few important drawbacks that you should know about. So if you want to check out the latest pricing and the availability after watching, you will find the product link in the description box below. So first of all, let's start with the picture performance. So the Hisense QD7 uses the mini LED technology, delivering up to 600 nits of the peak brightness. That means better control over the light across the screen as compared to the traditional LED TVs. On top of that, it features QLED technology, which is powered by the quantum dots, capable of producing over a billion shades of colors. The result is that more vibrant greens during the sports, richer skin tones in the movies, and sharper detail in the 4K content. If I talk about gaming, because this is where it stands out the most. So in it you are getting a native 144 Hz of panel along with the game mode plus 144 Hz game mode pro. So fast paced shooters, the racing games and the sport titles look extremely smooth in it. Moving to the smart features, so the QD7 runs on the Fire TV, which means that your streaming apps are built right into the home screen. Navigation is also very simple and responsive. It also includes Alexa voice control, allowing you to search for the content, check the sports scores, adjusting the settings, and control the smart home devices just by pressing the voice button on the remote. So if I talk about some of the honest limitations, while 600 nits is solid for the pricing, it's not on the same level as the premium TVs that reach 1000 nits. But here is the key point: at around $699, or currently it is at 16% discount. So currently at the price around $550, you are getting mini LED, QLED colors, 144 Hz of gaming, Dolby Vision, and Fire TV integration. That combination is rare at this particular price point. So if you would like to check out the current pricing or its availability, you can check out the product link in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.